Okay, welcome everyone. And today's session, that's Stamford Salesforce Developer Group. This topic is about Agentforce setup. This is available in beta version today. So we'll be seeing what are the capabilities this feature cover as an admin who struggles and juggles through all this stuff in day-to-day roles and responsibilities. So in short, we say this as a AI co-admin in Salesforce setup. This Agentforce is a co-admin, AI co-admin, which can be utilized as a assistant for admins which help to simplify the task for admin resources. What is Agentforce for setup? It's nothing but it's an AI assistant. It's like any other AI assistant we have seen so far in our day-to-day life. We have utilized ChatGPT, Gemini, and so on. These are conversational basis. Whatever the prompts, questions you ask to the chat on the interface, it will bring up the answers to you related to your questions. And if it is not clear, it may ask to clarify the question you have. The same goes with the AI assistant inside in Salesforce setup too. So it helps admins to navigate. As admins, we know we have at almost 1200 about over 200 pages to navigate once we set up a field, change a field, change a page layout. This there are multiple places we have to go and click on multiple clicks to just configure to do that. Just to eliminate this many clicks process, we can utilize this AI assistant in our Salesforce setup to help navigate, configure, and troubleshoot the issues we have in our Salesforce org. Why this matters? As I said, we as admins, we click multiple places. For each click, at least 0.5 seconds of one click takes up to minimum 8 minutes, 8 seconds to 15 seconds to complete one simple field accessibility to an user. Just to eliminate that process, we can utilize this AI assistant for our help to make faster admin tasks, and also we can utilize this for simple automation processes by giving eligible prompts to the. These are the few key capabilities right now that is available in beta version, which I like very much is the formula management and object management. These are the main things. There are multiple places where we create different fields, and we want to utilize this field for in and conjugate with other objects by using formulas. So utilizing this writing formulas, it's not a piece of cake for everybody, but this tool comes in handy while utilizing this formula management to create or modify. It also explains what this formula means, and it validates and it fixes any errors in this formula. Then the user management, as we are everyone know, like still we are managing the users. If we are not using any other SSO managements, we use Salesforce to edit any access. If the user left the organization, we always go and freeze that user just to avoid the unauthorization access of the data and so on. Um, and in flow management, in today's world, automation is the key here. So for each and every task, we even the business users ask them ask automation in each and every step as possible. So flow management, we can utilize this assistant to create flows. Also, there are a lot of flows that's been built from the day the org has set up. So as a new admin who steps in the role, if they want to understand what this exact flow does, it asks the assistant to describe what this flow does, in what is the use of this flow. So it can narrate where it is used and what are the criteria it checks. It gives a small paragraph what it does instead of clicking each and element and checking what are the criteria is defined or what's the decision element has given, so on. The other things are identity management, user access management, and this next slide continue the same capabilities which are available as a beta version. You may add more. It's check what is available in the market before you make a decision. As I said, it's a conversational basis. When you ask questions to that, AI takes the first and interprets in the back end, and it generates interpretation and actions. It answer that. All the setup page I am in. So this to enable this, we need to do some pre steps, which is like said, enabling the Einstein, then the Agentforce, then there is a Agentforce beta version. Just by clicking here, you can see the Einstein. When you see Einstein here, and the Agentforce agents, so there is Einstein setup. You just need to enable this set before even bringing this setup. AI assistant for our use. So this needs to be toggled on, and then you go back to agent post agents where you can enable the Einstein setup. This is nothing the agent, and which I have enabled already. We have this in home page of the setup. Um, this can I have some views which I can utilize to make do some hands-on right now. Let's create some custom object. See how the agent force comes in handy for us in making this simple. I'm just adding this agent force setup just to create a custom object from beach rental, and so I'm giving some fields to just working.
Your voice is breaking, Aisha. So
Hotspot I have connected. Yeah. So here's the data model it has given us with the ask. We have requested the AI assistant with all different type fields. We have asked for lookup field, pick list field, and so on. And if we want to add to the so Once we are good with this and we ask this agent to create by just confirming the data model which has proposed to us, just creating. So it says there is a success message saying this new custom object has been created. And it's also asked, do you want to configure permissions, tabs, and so on? Right now, I'm not going to do any permission sets. We can utilize permission set. The next thing we can, if you guys okay, we can see some creation. It's as simple as that. Just you need to brainstorm what the purpose of this flow before even going to the agent, giving the questions to the agent, like how you do it in our normal day to day. Before creating, what is the purpose of this flow, what we are going to achieve, what is the goal of this flow, what are the objects it's going to consider in the automation, do we need to have this flow scheduled or not, or do we need to update any field values using these flows? These are the key points we need to consider before we go into the AI assistant for our help. Once we have this, we can phrase these questions in a simple paragraph. We'll say the prompt should be very concise so the agent can pick up what our ask is. So it can do. Even if the agent doesn't understand, sometimes it may ask you to clarify the questions. If not, if you can give a follow-up question. Okay, change this the criteria from A to B, just by giving the conversation in the chat.
Gotcha. So it's
Eh,
so one question here. So when
mhm,
you do the conversation with agent, so
mhm.
basically it's in plan mode before execution is happening. It will ask you to confirm the changes, right?
Yes,
All the time.
yes, 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 always, yes. The agent is defined as this way. It will not take the action unless we confirm. There is a user intervention needed when a new object is created or any new changes are made in the arc.
Got it. So basically it's in the plan mode
Mhm.
until
Yes,
user confirms to take the action. Okay.
of course,
Got
yeah.
it.
If we are
Okay.
not happy with the user has the bot has given us the response, we can ask it to refine it, or we can roll back.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Any other questions?
And this is so this one you created in your dev sandbox, I assume.
Yep.
Okay.
Sandbox. Yep.
Oh, I see. Oh, sandbox. So you mean like I can we create? Do we have access to this right now? As it
Yeah, we
says, it's
have.
beta.
Yes, this is available. We need to have a new playground for this with the configuration.
Oh, we need to purchase something. Oh,
No, no,
sorry.
it's available in the trial head.
Oh,
If
okay,
you have
okay.
a trial head ID, we can realize that.
Oh, perfect. Okay, got it. And like,
And
so when can we use this in our production arcs? Like, what they don't know yet.
it is available in beta version. It's up to us. I think it's coming in winter 26
Okay.
for the GA.
Oh, okay. Got it. Okay. Thank you.
No problem. Mm, do you want me to continue with any other prompts? If you like.
Sure. I mean, can we see if you have the prompt ready for flow? Maybe I would be interested to see that only if you have it. If not, that's fine.
I have the bot. Oh yeah,
Maybe
yeah.
I can't
Sorry,
see.
sir.
Oh, okay. Okay, no
No, no.
problem. Yeah,
I'm sorry. I'm all over the place.
no problem. All good. Thank you.
So I have just given a prompt saying create a record below. and just to send a thank you email for on the beach rentals return. So once it says, okay, it's asked, can you confirm this is what you want? Just to feel it, it should give us field is not available. Let us see. I think the field isn't available. Thank you email. Yeah, it's already available. Let me know if in further assistance. This time, let me. This is the first time I'm the bot created it in what format it is. The, the flow, but still the field is not existent.
I see. Got it. Okay. I think that's good. Thank you. We we can't hear you. We can't hear you.
Good. Oh, okay. So thank you for joining. Sorry, I have some interruptions. My microphone is on and off the whole time. And thank you for joining. If any questions you can ask in the chat, I will try to answer as possible. And there is a um, trial in the trial head there is a thing is available to do this for limited time. I think we can enable the playground for 3 days and it will be available for you. They make utilize this to just play around. Once you are comfortable, you can utilize this in your beta version in your art. I always recommend doing this in your hands, the playground, or before going to any real environment. So there are some live prompts I have just created, and if it is helpful, hands-on art.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Aisha. This
Thank
was
you for
actually looks
joining.
like people are not gonna need us anymore. Like this is like crazy. You know what I mean? Like because it's gonna make like
The
admin's life much easier, and then technically any BA can, like product manager or any business analyst can do that too now. So this is like very
Right.
interesting.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you for the presentation.
Thank
Thank you
you.
guys for that. Yeah.
Thank you, Aisha.